Our family moved to Utah in 2003 from Los Angeles after my husband was offered a job in Salt Lake City. It didn't take long before I realized that the move to Park City was the best thing that could have happened to us, even though I had never lived anywhere except a big city and I had never lived anywhere where it snowed. I decided to pivot from my previous career in healthcare and study my passion, which was real estate. I raised my 2 children here, all the while enjoying the Park City lifestyle. Fast forward, and I'm now one of the top producers in Park City. In fact, I'm one of the top 1% in the whole country. I've negotiated hundreds of contracts, hundreds! And a good portion of my business comes from other agents who refer their clients to me. I'm very honored that they trust me with their clients. I'm very good at getting my clients what they want, whether it's prevailing in a multiple offer situation or setting a record for the highest list price. If you read my online reviews, you'll see that my clients really appreciate my knowledge of the Park City real estate market and the lifestyle. In fact, I write a blog that's read by 6,000 unique visitors each month. My clients also appreciate my strategic problem solving and my calm demeanor. They know that I have their best interests at heart. My clients also like the fact that I have a proven process. I'm a good listener, I'm very responsive, and my clients always know what's happening during their transactions. They never have to wonder. And lastly, I work with Summit Sotheby's International Realty. This is a full-service brokerage which provides me with excellent marketing and transaction management so that I'm able to focus all of my time and attention on my clients. I'm passionate about Park City, and nothing makes me happier than introducing this lifestyle to my clients, whether they're looking to relocate here permanently or just for a second home. I look forward to sharing my passion for Park City with you.